Welcome to A2A Homelands by Raghuram Infra, a perfect blend of luxury and nature. A beautiful project right in the heart of Balanagar, Kukatpalli. This project is spread across 12 acres of lush greenery and yet so connected to everything that the city offers. Do you know the concept of 7 chakras of life? A2A Homeland is thoughtfully designed around that concept. You'll find 7 beautifully themed courtyards here, each crafted to bring you peace, harmony and balance in your everyday living. It's not just a home, it's an experience. Every 3 BHK flat is spacious and thoughtfully planned. Ranging from 1700 to 2260 square feet, these homes offer us comfort, elegance and privacy we all need. With only 110 flats per acre, it's true exclusivity, right? What's rare today is having 80% open spaces in a city project. But here at A2A Homeland, fresh air and greenery is a way of living. A pollution-free environment that doesn't keep you away from the city. Now here's something truly special. 2 world-class clubhouses spanning over 1 lakh square feet. Offering everything from fitness to relaxation, indoor games and premium leisure spaces, it's like living in a luxury resort every day. And that's not all. 30 plus lifestyle amenities await you. From a swimming pool for kids and adults preview theatre, business lounges, meditation zones to exclusive gyms, a creche for toddlers. Need a quiet evening? Check out the Senior Citizen Lounge. Looking to unwind? There's a multi-purpose hall, a cafeteria and even a convenience store right within the community. The location is too convenient, just 10 minutes to metro station, Secunderabad railway station, Jubilee bus station and high-tech city. Educational institutions like Sri Chaitanya and Delhi Public School are nearby and hospitals like Usha Mullapudi, Omni and Amor are just a short drive. Entertainment? A2A Central Mall and the Asian Theatre are right around the corner. And the airport? Just 45 kilometers away, easily accessible whenever you need to travel. Now let's talk about safety and quality, because what's a dream home without peace of mind? Built with advanced MIVAN technology, these homes are very durable, strong and earthquake resistant. From RCC share walls to double charged vitrified tiles, engineered wood doors to UPVC windows, with mesh, quality is everywhere you look. And yes, 24/7 CCTV surveillance with DG backup for all essentials. Solar fencing, prepaid metering and even EV charging provision, it's all taken care of. Now coming to the pricing part, 3 BHK luxurious flats ranging from 1.36 CR to 1.68 CR depending on the size of the flats. At 7,299 per square feet, it's an incredible value for what you get. Where luxury made affordable in a fast-growing, well-connected corridor. Ideal for families who want space, amenities, fresh air and convenience. A2A Homeland is not just about owning a home. It's about upgrading your entire lifestyle. What are you waiting for? Get your dream home now. Step into a life of comfort, convenience and harmony, because this is more than a home. This is your home to life.